Hey everybody, Ray Hayden here. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, like the video, make that comment below, let me know you came by to say hi. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button because I greatly appreciate the growth on the network and it's how we succeed with YouTube. Now on this one here, this video is going to show you how to safely start a fire. I'll make some notes on that how I get along. But I like to get the most bang for my buck out of every single video, and this one here is going on a GoPro Hero 8, and I'm using a battery pack because I don't have any batteries for my GoPro right now because they have the ones that I came with the camera bulged. All right, and a bulging battery is a fire waiting to start, and not the safe kind I'm going to show you how to do here. All right, so hopefully this here has enough strain relief. My battery pack can kind of just hang there. So now let's talk about fire safety. Now, first thing you think is Ray's an idiot and he's going to go around there and throw gasoline on his fire. And that's wrong. It's not. And these are diesel diesel because on one side we wrote diesel, on the other side we wrote diesel. So it's our diesel diesel bucket. And I take the top of this thing off and it's diesel. Now diesel, you probably don't know this about fuel. If you're a pilot, you know that different fuels have different colors. Why? Because pilots need to know something else that's going to distinguish that we're putting the right fuel in the airplane. All right. Speaking of aircraft, we'll be flying a drone later on. I'll make another video about that. That's going to be hopefully really neat because I'm also going to use GoPro to record audio live while I'm shooting video with the drone because the drone doesn't record any video. All right, so I'm going to put some diesel fuel on this fire, on this pile. Now it doesn't take much. I want to mention that I got that short shotgun microphone on the top with the wind muff on top. All right, that's what's catching the audio for this video. All right, now I am going to do something with gasoline. This is gasoline. It's the high test stuff that we use in our mower over here, which is out of the picture, but I use to gather all this stuff up with. I don't know if you can see the whole thing, but basically what I did is I just made a gasoline fuse out to the fire, right? So now I'm going to touch that with a match. Here's why. Gasoline explodes, okay? That's why it's dumb to pour gasoline on a fire. But it makes a really great fuse. Diesel fuel, right, the big trucks and everything, compression heats up. Compression makes heat, heat lights the fuel burns. Doesn't explode, it burns. Okay, so let's do that. Now that's a safe fire. I got all the distances required. This is where my burn pit is. And that's gonna go and get everything done. Now for your matches, you use a heavy duty sandwich bag or something like that, but I have this other bag. I was using sandwich bags, but they kind of get beat up a bit. So now I use this heavy duty bag. All right, now you notice that I get close to fires. That's why the orange shirt's the fire shirt, because it got a whole bunch of holes in it. And now I'm gonna end this video, so don't forget to give me that thumbs up, like the video for fire safety. All right, we'll keep that going. Get my hands, my gloves and everything on, all my fire stuff on. Hopefully I don't melt myself too much. And then later on, we'll get that other video done. So don't forget to give me that thumbs up, like the video, make that comment below, let me know you came by to say hi. And if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate the growth on the network. Until I see you in the next video, take care and be well.